அருள் நிறைந்த மரியே வாழ்க, ஆண்டவர் உம்முடனே.
Good morning, friends. Today the 2300th day we are preparing the reckoning. Today, Mrs. Palsy George family from Kerala is offering to experience a thanksgiving to Holy Mother. May the grace of our blessed Holy Mother be reckoning. Blessed family. Have a beautiful and blessed Saturday, my dear friends. Ave Maria.
வாழ்க மரியா.
என் இயலாமையில் நீ செயல்படுவீர்,